Imagine a place where kindness is the key to unlocking magic and melodies. In a quaint village surrounded by mountains, there was an old dusty music box in a tiny shop. It hadn't played a note in years, and many believed its magic was lost forever. Only someone with a pure heart and true kindness could bring it back to life. One day, a young girl named Lily, known for her gentle nature, wandered into the shop. Drawn to the music box's delicate carvings, she carefully wound it up and waited. To everyone's surprise, the music box began to play the most beautiful melody, filling the shop with a sweet, soothing tune. Flowers bloomed, birds sang, and a warm, comforting feeling spread through the hearts of all who heard the music. The villagers, amazed, gathered around. They realized Lily's pure heart had reawakened the music box's magic. Her kindness brought joy to everyone. From that day on, the music box became a symbol of the power of kindness and love. Whenever the village faced difficult times, Lily's melody reminded them that even the smallest acts of goodness can create ripples of happiness and harmony.